Model, SHANMON 3007 Telehandler. 1. Overall dimension. 1. Operating weight, 8,580 kilograms. 2. Overall dimension, L times W times H 6,490 by 2,280 by 2,580 millimeters. 3. Wheelbase, 3,390 millimeters. 2. Performance. 1. Lifting capacity, 3,000 kilograms. 2. Bucket capacity, 1.6 cubic meters. 3. Maximum dump height, 41 degrees discharge angle, 7,027 millimeters. 3. Engine. 1. Model, Yuchai YC4A105 ZT20. 2. Type, turbocharging 4-cylinder. 3. Rated power, 75 kW/102 HP at 2200 RPM. 4. Displacement, 4.8 liters. 4. Steering system. 1. Type, hydraulic steering. 2. Bucket outside rim/inside tire center, 6200 plus or minus 50/3600 plus or minus 50 mm. 3. 3 ways of steering, front wheel steering, 4-wheel steering, and crab steering. 6. Wheel. 1. Front/rear wheel size, 16/70-24. 2. Travel speed, 36 km per hour. 7. Cabin. 1. Cabin with air conditioner. 2. Pilot control with joystick for hydraulic system. 3. LCD instrument.